Which is better, Capital One or Ally Bank? Let's begin. Ally Bank is an online only bank that has gained popularity for its competitive interest rates and user friendly features. But keep in mind that banking information has changes over time. It's essential to verify the details when you go here at their official website. Now, it's known for offering competitive interest rates. I know that because I have an account here in Ally Bank, and its savings accounts and certificates of deposits or CDs can potentially result in higher earnings compared to traditional brick and mortar banks. Right now, from here, LA Bank typically does not charge monthly maintenance fees on its accounts, making it a very cost-effective option for many customers like me. That's one of the reasons why I opened an account here in LA Bank. And of course, Ally Bank provides reimbursement for ATM fees charged by other banks, but up to a certain limit. And again, these can be advantageous for customers who frequently use ATMs, just like me, right? And again, the online banking platform is designed to be user friendly, allowing customers to manage their accounts, transfer funds, and perform other transactions easily. And the good thing about Ally Bank is that it offers around the clock customer support 24/7, making it convenient for customers to get assistance whenever they need it. Now, if you are interested to know more about the Fintropolis right here, it's a separate offerings from Ally Bank, which is a world for Minecraft that uses real world scenarios to introduce and familiarize students and users to financial concepts. Other characters guide you through to activities, so no background knowledge is needed. And if you want to explore more about Fintropolis, I suggest you go here, right? As we all know, of course, there's no bank that has no weakness, because as much as I would like not to share it to you, LA Bank has no physical branches. It operates exclusively online, all right? Which means it lacks physical branches and may be a drawback for customers who prefer in-person banking services. And in terms of limited account times, while Ally Bank offers a variety of accounts, of course, including savings, checking, and CDs, it does not provide as many account types as some traditional banks. And it also have a limited cash deposit options. Now here, depositing cash into Ally Bank account can be challenging as the bank doesn't have its own ATMs and cash deposits must be made through partner ATMs, which may not be widely available for all people. Now, in terms of the foreign transaction fees, Ally Bank may charge fees for foreign transactions, and the good thing about it that this can be a consideration for customers who frequently travel internationally. And while savings accounts and CDs offer then competitive rates, the interest rates on checking accounts may be lower compared to other online banks, as you can see it from here. Okay? Now, we move over to Capital One. Obviously, it's one of the well-known financial institutions that offers a range of banking and financial products. No impact, no worries, savings starts here and easier car buying. There's a lot of savings account, checking accounts, and financial services that Capital One can offer. All right? And one of them is the auto loans. If you want to check out if you're qualified to see a real estate and payment before visiting the dealership, you might want to check on that. And of course, Capital One offers a competitive interest rates on its savings accounts, providing the potential for customers to earn more on their deposits. And again, Capital One credit cards are widely known for their cashback and rewards programs, providing cardholders with opportunities to earn rewards on their purchases. And of course, no foreign transaction fees. Many Capital One credit cards do not charge foreign transaction fees, making them a good choice for international travelers. And again, these are the most popular Capital One credit cards: the Platinum, the Venture Rewards, the Quicksilver, the Venture Rewards, the Quicksilver One Rewards, and others. Right now, I'm using the Platinum MasterCard. And from here, Capital One uses a very user-friendly online banking platform and mobile app, allowing customers to manage their accounts and make transfers and perform transactions very convenient. All you're gonna do is send this a text message like confidence to these numbers, scan the QR code, and download the app. All right, there's a lot of you can do from this mobile banking. While Capital One is known for its online presence, it also has physical branches and ATMs in certain regions, providing in-person services that Ally Bank doesn't provide or offer, all right? Especially for the customers who prefer traditional banking. Now from here, of course, not every bank has a perfect platform. It offers and has a share of its own weakness and cons. And again, while Capital One has a physical branches and ATMs in certain areas, its physical presence is not as extensive as some traditional banks. And again, it could be a drawback for customers who prefer in-person banking services. And Capital One, like many banks, and again, while Capital One may offer higher interest rates on savings account, these rates can be variable and subject to change based on the market. And obtaining some of the premium credit cards from Capital One may require a good to excellent credit score, and this can be a limitation for individuals with lower credit scores. And again, charges overdraft fees. If an account is overdrawn, these fees can be significant, so it's important for customers to manage their accounts carefully to avoid them. And again, while Capital One may not charge foreign transaction fees on many of its credit cards, finding Capital One ATMs abroad can be limited, and other banks, again, may charge their own fees. And some customers have reported mixed reviews about Capital One's customer service, but in my experience, I didn't have problems with them, especially with Ally Bank as well. So these experiences could be case to case basis, ranging from positive to negative. And again, it's important to consider customer service when evaluating any bank such as Capital One and Ally Bank. And again, ultimately, the better option depends on your specific needs and priorities. Take the time to compare the features, fees, and services of both Capital One. So if you want to know more about the offers and features, I suggest you go here and capitalone.com, right? And then do the same for Ally Bank and make an informed decision based on financial preferences, because both banks are reputable online banks that offers range of financial products and services. But again, there are just factors to consider when comparing Capital One to Ally Bank. And again, you're welcome to go to allybank.com to see more of their pricing, features, and rates before you make a decision. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.